In front of me is Doogee S70, and let me show you how to activate demo mode on this phone. So at first, let's open the settings, then find and select System and enter Developer Options. If you cannot find Developer Panel here, just take a look at our tutorial on how to unlock Developer Options and then click to open. Now scroll a bit lower where you'll find System and Demo Mode, mark it, and here you can smoothly activate this feature by using this first switcher. Then to make it visible as well, just use the second switcher, Show Demo Mode, and you can see the difference even in status bar, so you've got this demonstration mode active. And then to switch it off, just unmark both switchers. And this is it, that would be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.